Hello and welcome to the Vanilla Pod Bakery. My name is Pia Cato and I specialise in helping couples from afar by designing and creating beautiful bespoke wedding cakes for luxury Cotswold weddings. Located in the spa town of Cheltenham, I founded the Vanilla Pod Bakery in 2009. We pride ourselves on using seasonal and high quality ingredients, ensuring that every little slice of cake is a taste of luxury. At the Vanilla Pod Bakery, we understand choosing your wedding cake is a special occasion, and as part of our service, we offer complimentary champagne tasting consultations, where we can find out about you, your wedding, answer any questions and design your dream cake. We also offer Skype or FaceTime consultations, and for a small charge, can post a rather lovely tasting box to your home address. The most popular cake at the moment has to be the Vanilla Pod Bakery's Mary Berry Cake, a luxurious naked cake decorated with abundance of fresh fruit and fresh flowers, perfect for a summer's day. Here at the Vanilla Pod Bakery, we are passionate about exceeding customers' expectations, from the service we offer to the stunning and delicious cakes that we create. To book a consultation, please contact us via our email, website, phone or one of our social media links.